thunderstorm was located over Oaklands or near Broadlands, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Reston, Leesburg, Broadlands, Lansdowne, Lowe's Island, Brambleton, Coolsville, Ashburn, Sterling, Great Falls, Countryside.
Here's an SVR. I am under this storm.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania until 4:30 p.m. At 4:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Holly Springs, northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carlisle, Mechanicsburg, Plainfield, Slusser, Boiling Springs, Mount Holly Springs, Shiremanstown, Kingstown, Carlisle. National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Cumberland. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania 4:30 p.m. markers 220 to 238. Interstate 81 for mile marker 39 to 57. Siding and trees. Structure and
I told you.
Springs, Mount Holly Springs, Shireman, Carlisle Springs, Pennsylvania. The Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 220 to 238. Interstate 81 from mile markers 39 to 50. And away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this severe. Build structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rain. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Cumberland, Pennsylvania. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations include likely to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Mount Holly Springs, Shiremanstown, New Kingstown, Carlisle Springs, Hoagstown, Penn State Dickinson School of Law, and Messiah College. This turnpike for mile markers 220. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is this severe thunderstorm. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following county: Cumberland, Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania.
Okay, here's the SVR.
Service and State College has issued a flash flood warning for central Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m. At 4:27 p.m., radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches per zone. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: small creeks and streams, urban areas. The National Weather Service and State College has issued a flash flood warning for 7:30 p.m. Boiling Springs, Mount Holly Springs, and Penn State Dickinson School of Law. Turnaround on expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Carlisle, Boiling Springs, and Dickinson. Flash flooding include Carlisle, Boiling Springs. When encountering flooded roads, most of flood gas occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash. Hazard: flash flooding. Dickinson School of Law. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Cumberland, Pennsylvania.
Who and what we